Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 or the Watch 6. So first, press on the side button here, press and hold on the power button to turn on your watch. And in this video I'm going to set it up with my Samsung Galaxy S24 series or the S24 Ultra that I have. Now we're just going to wait for it to turn on. Okay, once the watch started, on my phone is a Galaxy Watch, so tap on the connect button. In here we can swipe up, you got the code number here. Both numbers are the same, so we can tap on confirm on the watch and on the phone. And now it is downloading the update, the software update for the watch. So here, check your phone to complete setup. So we'll wait for that to finish. Okay, now on the phone here, I'm going to select these two and then tap on continue. And then next is allow Galaxy Watch 6 Manager to access the Galaxy Watch 6. So here we can go down and select what you want to allow or don't allow. Here tap on the allow button and then tap on allow and then tap on more. So here you can choose to send usage and diagnostic data or disable it. Location, turn on, and then tap on agree. And as getting your watch ready, this might take a few minutes. Okay, on the next screen, it says bring your accessibility settings to your watch from the phone. So here you can choose turn on. Next, it is now getting the Google account info. Okay, next you can tap on continue as your user account, or you can choose other account. I'm going to select continue, and here I will use my fingerprint to sign in. Okay, next you can choose which app to install on the watch. So go down the list here and select the app that you want to use. So here we got WhatsApp Messenger, Spotify, Samsung Internet, SmartThings, and so on. So recommended for watches. So you can expand the list and choose what you want to install. Easy voice recorder, Strava for running, biking, and hiking, Nike Run Club. Probably disable it, and KakaoTalk Messenger, so you can install that as well. MyFitnessPal, Komoot 7-minute workout, and so on. So you can go down the list here and choose what you want to install on the app, and then tap on continue, and then tap on next. Next, tap on the allow button to give it the required permission for call logs, SMS, nearby devices, and notifications. And in here you can choose the preferred wrist. So if you're a left hand, then you choose left hand. Otherwise you can choose right hand if you wear on your right hand. And button position, so you can choose the button position right off the screen or left off the screen. And then tap on next. And here you can choose whether to turn on bold text or not bold. So you can see it here when I turn on, the text on my watch get bold. So if I put it closer so you can have a look. And then you got the font size. So here I can change the font size to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so we changed the bold text and font size, and then tap on next. And here we got always on display. Tap on next, and then tap on next. And here track your daily activity. We can set targets. So activities calories 500 calorie, activity time 90 minutes, and steps 10,000 steps. And then tap on continue. Here we got the advanced measurements, so tapping on that. So it's got snoring detection, increases phone battery consumption, consider charging your phone while you sleep. Tap on the OK button. So in here you can choose to turn on or turn off blood oxygen, snore detection, and skin temperature during sleep. And then tap on continued. Then tap on next. And tap on next again. And here it says set up a mobile plan. If you don't use mobile plan on your watch, you can just tap on the skip button. And now it is finishing up. So a number of steps that we need to input. Once you input your selection, then we're just going to finish up now. And that's it. It says now enjoy your watch. So you're all set. And this is the watch manager. So you can manage your watch from here. And here's a monitor your health. Heart health quickly and easily. Install Samsung Health Monitor on your phone now. So we can download the app to download the Samsung Health Monitor, and then tap on the install button so that we have additional features for our watch. And then I'll just go back. So whenever you want to access that screen, you go into your apps and then you open up wearable. And in wearable, you tap on the menu key and you select your wearable device. So here I've got Buds 2 Pro watch. So I'm going to select watch 6. And in here, we can change the watch faces. We can open up the apps screen, tiles, quick panel, and we can make changes to our watch from this interface here. Or we can make changes directly from your watch as well. So you don't need to use this app. It is an addition to your watch so that you can easily manage your watch directly from your phone. And then tap on the start button to tour, and then say swipe down from the top to open up quick panel. And that is the quick panel here, and then swipe up to go back to the watch face. So swipe up at the bottom to go back to the watch face. Find your apps. So here we can tap on next, and then swipe for apps. Swipe up from the bottom edge to open up the apps screen. And here we can swipe up to open. And here we got check notifications. So tap on next. For notifications, swipe right. To tap to open this notification, so when there are notifications, you can tap on it to open, and swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen, and swipe left to go back to the watch face. So a number of things that you need to learn. Here we learn about tiles, so tap on next, and for tiles, swipe left. And press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. And that's it. So enjoy your watch. Don't miss a thing. The orange dot indicates new notifications on the left hand side. So here, if I swipe across, I can view notifications. So no more notifications after you have viewed them. And that's it. Your watch is now ready for use. You can change again. You can change the watch face from here, or you can change it from your watch. So let's find one that we like. So maybe this one here. Cute character, and there it is. And you can also customize the watch face. Again, you can make the changes directly from your watch face, from your watch as well. Now here, if I touch and hold on the watch face, I can choose edit on the phone, or I can add in a new watch face. So tap on the add button, and from here I can scroll down and select a watch face. So very similar to an app on the phone. So basic dashboard, the original dashboard, and you can also customize the dashboard, or you can just tap on it to select. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.